I want to share with you how I practice and how I train, the methodology which enabled me to develop this style with the Leviwand. I go through 4 phases when I study a move or a technique, and these are the same 4 phases that we will go through with each lesson. The first phase is learn. Learn the mechanics of the move. Learn how you're going to spin the wand. Learn how you will manipulate the string, where everything goes, and how the physics of the move will feel like. The second phase is drill. Drill the move until it is almost second nature to you. This will help you in the succeeding phases so you're not thinking of how you're going to perform the move. Ideally, you can perform the move many times without making a mistake. The third phase is beautify. So you've learned the move, you've made yourself comfortable doing it, and now you want to make it look nice. Think of an audience member looking at you or how it would look like on video. Can you use more illusion hands, or can you make that string management more discreet? Can you move your body more? You can take videos of yourself just playing and trying out different variations, and when you watch, you evaluate from an audience's point of view which works better. The fourth and last phase of our practice methodology is improve. So you can do the move and you can do it consistently. You've even made it nice to look at. So now the question is, what can you do to take it to the next level? Do you think you can add a jump or a turn or a kick? Can you make it more difficult? Can you make your string management not just discreet, but also artistic? The best thing about this phase is that you can do it endlessly. Improve, improve, improve until one day the move is on a whole different level. Here are some of my videos that I've already shared before, wherein you can see the progression of my moves that I just continually improved it.